What's up guys, and welcome back to JoJo Butter, your one-stop spot for tips and tutorials on natural men's skincare. And today I'm coming at you with a game changer. I'm going to be showing you guys my natural skincare routine that you can use night and day and is good for all skin types, including oily, combination, dry, and even sensitive skin. But first, let's look at the basic skincare routine principles. You're going to want to cleanse, tone, and then moisturize. Cleanse is cleansing your skin, removing all the dirt, oil, and debris. Tone is using an ingredient that can balance your pH levels and remove any extra leftover dirt or impurities. And then 3, moisturize is just going to be to simply hydrate your skin. What's so different about my natural skincare routine is that it only uses 3 ingredients, not products, ingredients, and I use the same ingredient for step 1 and step 3. So without further ado, let's hop into it. Have you guys ever heard of oil cleansing? Yes, you can actually use oil to cleanse your skin. It's based off a simple scientific principle called like dissolves like. Makes a lot of sense actually. If you have a lot of oil and dirt and debris on your face, then you can actually use a like compound, like oil, which will help dissolve that off your skin and then wipe away all the excess dirt. And then moisturizing is super easy because you can use the same oil. So without further ado, let's dive on in.
First thing you're going to want to do is grab your oil. I'm using jojoba oil because it's good for all skin types and it's good for sensitive skin. You can definitely do some research online to find out what oils work best for what skin types using the oil cleansing method. Then you're going to want to take about 3 to 4 pumps, or just enough to completely saturate your face with oil, and start to massage that into your face using circular motions. I tend to focus on my nose a lot because I get a lot of flakiness there, so oil cleansing is amazing for that and any other problem areas. This is a good time to give yourself a little facial massage because it brings some blood to your face and helps revive your skin. Leave that on for about 5 minutes, then get a washcloth and run it with some hot water. You're going to want to leave that on your face for about a minute because the steam and the heat of the water helps to break down the excess oil and dirt and debris. Then gently remove that from your face. I like to use microfiber because I have heavy hands and I wipe really hard. Next, you're going to want to grab your toner. Mine's amazing because it uses 2 ingredients, apple cider vinegar and water. I mix 1 part apple cider vinegar to 3 parts water. Then I grab 2 cotton balls or cotton pads and I spritz that with my toner. You're going to use this to gently remove all the excess oil, dirt, and debris from your face. This also helps to balance the pH level of your skin. It helps with any problem areas, especially if you have dark spots. I use a different cotton pad for the other side of my face because we are dealing with a lot of oil and we want to make sure that we get that all completely off of our face. Now that we've used the toner to remove the excess oil and balance our pH levels, we're going to grab the oil again and just use 1 drop to re-moisturize our face. I find for my skin type, all I need is just 1 drop to rehydrate my skin. The key is to make sure that you rub it completely in so that it does not sit on top of your skin, but that your skin actually absorbs the oil, leaving your skin moisturized. After you're done with that, look in the mirror and say congratulations because you just cleansed your skin using oil and now you have naturally glowing skin.
And that's it guys. 3 easy steps using 3 natural ingredients for amazing, glowing, naturally healthy skin. Now, if you're a little skeptical about the oil cleansing method, like I was, then make sure you hop on over to my next video where I'll be explaining oil cleansing a bit more in depth and I'll be giving you recommendations on my top oils that help me with my skin. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a like, make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned, and share it so you can help somebody else. And as always, stay aware, keep your skin clear, always at JoJo Butter.